we'll guide you through how to create a ChatGPT animation. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the ChatGPT website and make sure you're logged in with your account. Once you're in, open a new chat and start by typing out the script or dialogue you want to animate. It's a good idea to keep your dialogue concise and clear to ensure the animation flows smoothly. Next, you'll need to use an animation software that supports text-to-speech and animation integration. A popular choice is Adobe Character Animator, which allows you to sync audio with animated characters. Open Adobe Character Animator and create a new project. Import your puppet or character that you want to use for your animation. Then, go to the timeline and import the audio file of the ChatGPT dialogue you've created. If your script is text-only, you can use a text-to-speech converter to generate the audio. Once the audio is imported, you can use the lip sync feature to match the character's mouth movements with the dialogue. Adjust the timing and expressions to match the tone and emotion of the conversation. You can also add background elements or additional animations to enhance the storytelling. When you're happy with the animation, go to the export settings and choose your desired format and resolution. Export the final animation to your preferred location on your computer. Finally, review the animation to ensure everything is in sync and make any necessary adjustments. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.